Hi, my name is Anis.
I'm Babita.
We are in Bangalore for last 8 years. We both work for software organizations, and many times it happens that we both work from home 2 to 3 days a week. So we wanted something which gives us enough freedom and space to do office work as well as make the home the way we want it to be. And we have been hunting for a house for quite some time. Then finally we got our dream house. It's a duplex.
Our favorite place is living room. Our couches is also there. We love to sit there together and have dinner together.
We love socializing, so this living space is actually our prime zone during the weekends, where we could get enough space to sit out with other friends and party together. The best thing I like about Livspace is the space management.
Even though this house is a very big house, kitchen part was really small. And I wanted a puja room, special puja room for myself. So Livspace has given us idea to how to design one puja room, given in the required space, in the same space, how to have an open kitchen, how to have a puja room. So this is very good thing. I would like to mention about kitchen designing. Livspace has helped us to design everything into that. And I wanted a big platform to have utensils cleaning place. They have also come up with that. And that area is no more messy. It is looking neat and clean, and it is very nice.
One thing which stands out with Livspace is they are not only good at doing the interior part, they are also good at suggesting designs which are more of civil in nature to gel well with the design, which they have blended it well. When finally our daughter came to see the house, the reaction was amazing, because they had seen the house without any interiors, and the next visit was with the complete interiors. So I could see in their eyes the kind of the amazement they had when they got their own space, which was lacking in the earlier house. They got their own space, their own long study table, where they both can sit together, study with each other and fight with each other. Thanks to the designer, especially Fawaz, and the project manager Salim, who really worked hard with us, understood our real requirements in depth, and then tried to put it across in their design. Of course, being a little larger house, it took its own time designing every part of the space: 2 living room, 4 bedrooms. Obviously, they took their time, but the ultimate outcome was really beautiful, and no doubt the effort paid off.
At end, we got a very good experience. We got very good design. Whenever we have guests at house, they first ask us from where you have done this. Who has designed your house? This is very spacious, and it is very aesthetically, it is looking very nice. So I got that appreciation, and I want to thank Livspace for this.